10-in-1 cooking functionality. Big results without countertop clutter. Here's how. Pick your function. Select time and temp. Hit start. Done. Air fry. Hit the button. Adjust to 375. Cajun salmon, crispy on the outside, perfectly flaky inside. Fresh mango salsa right on top. 10 minutes. Or choose from 4 presets: wings, fries, nuggets, and vegetables. One touch control with adjustable time and temperature. Bake. Tap the bake function to preheat. Set to 400 for 15 minutes. Golden focaccia coming right up. Roast. Select the roast function. Lower to 350 to preheat. A meal fit for a family in under an hour. Toast. 6 slices. Choose from 7 shades, light to dark. Broil. Increase temperature all the way up to 450 to preheat. Banh mi burgers, charred and juicy in 10 minutes. Warm. Tap the warm function to keep those pastries perfect till you're ready. Cleaning. Wipe down the interior glass with a mixture of vinegar and warm water. Soak accessories in soapy water, followed by scrubbing with a scouring pad or sponge. 10-in-1 functionality in one appliance with endless meal options. Now that's a work of Cuisinart.